Welcome to this video, in which we will show you how to apply the dressing for your short catheter. Disinfect the area surrounding the catheter exit site with an alcohol swab. Make sure you leave it on for 30 seconds. It is also important to ensure that the skin around the catheter is completely dry before applying the new dressing. Remove the adhesive strip cover and carefully insert the catheter through the slit in the foam pad first. Now stick the foam slit compress onto your skin. Then remove the protective film from the adhesive strip on the top of the foam pad and attach the catheter there. For better application of the dressing, remove your gloves if necessary and disinfect your hands. Now take the foil dressing and first remove the 2 white adhesive strips. Then stick the film dressing with the foam pad centrally over the catheter. Press the plaster down well on the sides. As a final step, remove the top protective film layer of the film dressing. Then smooth the film dressing again. To empty the bottle, you will need a cloth and a plastic bag. You can reuse the reservoir packaging for this purpose. Place the vacuum bottle on the floor. Open the roller clamp and lift the hose so that the remaining liquid can drain out. Close the roller clamp again. Open the bottle by pressing the rounded bottle opening with both thumbs from bottom to top. Place your index fingers on the opposite side of the bottle opener. Now carefully pull the drainage tube off the bottle opener. Press the pointed end of the bottle opener into the opening of the bottle and enlarge it by turning it. Now you can empty the contents of the bottle into the toilet. Place the vacuum bottle with the tube in the plastic bag and dispose of everything according to the local regulations of your city or municipality. If any liquid spills during the emptying process, clean the skin with water and soap and wipe all surfaces with an appropriate cleaner. Please note that reorder process is regulated differently depending on the country. Therefore, please adhere to the regulations applicable in your country. You can read these at any time at www.avamed.com.